Security alert. If you're seeing this message on your dashboard, it means that an unauthorized key or tampering has been detected. This message is very serious and it means that your vehicle will not start until the issue is resolved. It could be a problem with the key itself or the key fob. If you have multiple keys, try using the other one to see if that one works. If you don't have another key, then you may need to have your vehicle towed to a dealership or a locksmith that specializes in automotive keys. In some cases, simply replacing the battery in the key fob can resolve this issue. But in other cases, the entire key fob needs to be reprogrammed. This is because the key fob communicates with the car using a code that changes every time the FOB is used. If you suspect that someone has stolen your car key or tampered with your key fob, you should contact the police and have them run the VIN to see if any other cars have been entered using the same key. Share this video so that other people know how to respond to this security alert.